guys, welcome back to my Essential Rewards unboxing. This is part 2 because I got a giant order this month and I was already getting up to like 20 minutes on the other one. So we're just going to separate this into 2 sections. This is going to be my non-oil products. If you want to see all the oils that I got, check out the first one. Ow, I just scratched myself with my fingernail. And this will be all of my non-oil products plus all the stuff that I got for free. So super excited. Got tons of oils. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 oils. So check that out in the first one if you want to see all the oils that I got. Getting on to this one. Okay, so I got some Thieves dish soap. Never had this before. I'm very excited to use this because we need more dish soap and I want to, obviously it just smells like Thieves. I'm not going to open it. But this is apparently super concentrated. Dilute it, which I will probably do because it's a very small bottle and we go through dish soap pretty slow anyway, but I don't want to have to buy this every single month because it's $14. So I'm going to try to dilute it and get 2 bottles out of it. Oh, I like their new packaging. I got a soap. This was kind of for Micah, but if I run out of soap first, sorry sweetie, I'm going to use it. This is the Sacred Mountain soap. So I really want to smell this. Oh, it's in plastic. I can't really smell it, but I'm sure it just smells like Sacred Mountain. So got that. I got some toothpaste for Micah. This is the Dentarome Ultra. This is actually the toothpaste that I don't prefer just because it's more baking soda-y and it's actually very minty, so I don't love the taste of it. I actually like the taste of the other one better. So I got this for Micah, so hopefully he will like that and I can switch him over to Young Living toothpaste instead of store-bought. So got that. And then I actually got a new deodorant because I'm currently using the Myro deodorant, which works good, but it's starting to not work as well. For some reason, I have the worst luck with deodorant and it'll work for a few weeks or a month or so, and then after that it just stops to work so much. So I actually got the Meadow Mist deodorant. So I'm really excited to try this. It has lemon, rosemary, tea tree, lavender, bergamot, ylang ylang, clove. So what I'm understanding is I probably should not use this right after shaving. So got that just to switch up from my other one to kind of make sure I don't get too used to it. Oh, I got another thing of toothpaste, even though this is just a backup. So I got another Aroma Bright toothpaste. That's the one that I like very much. So I got a lot of Thieves stuff this month. Okay, and then I got a lavender mint conditioner. Last month I got the shampoo, so I got the conditioner to match. So haven't tried this yet and I'm very excited too. Next I got another pack of the Seedlings baby wipes. Love these. I just use these to replace my bathroom wipes, my feminine wipes, makeup wipes, all of that good stuff. So great wipes. I think I know what this is. Yup. Okay. Oh, that's... Okay. So I got the Thieves laundry soap. This is a really small bottle. I know everyone says that, but this is actually a really small bottle. But this is very, very concentrated. It's 6 times ultra concentrated, 64 loads. So this should last a while because we do laundry like once a week. So it should last like a long time. So I got that, super concentrated, and you only have to use half of a capful. That's tiny. So yeah, lots of Thieves stuff this month. I wanted to get some of the cleaning products. Oh, it's blurry. I think that's all of the stuff that I got. So every order comes with this little magazine kind of thing, a newspaper sort of thing. So there's that. I'll read that later. I still haven't read last month's. Okay, so getting on to all of the free stuff that I got. Alright, so the first one is Vetiver, which I actually did not like at first. I actually have a bottle of this already. Did not like it at first. I don't really like it by itself, but it's really nice paired with other oils for like nighttime. It's really good for sleep support. So I got Vetiver. And then I'm doing these in order, so as like with amount and stuff. So I got that, and also for the 100 PV, you got 10 extra ER points this month, so that's pretty cool. Next one, I think these were in order. Next here was lemon and tangerine oil. Love both of these. Tangerine is so good. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite citrus oil. It's like orange, but I feel like it's sweeter. And it's like, I don't know, it's just so nice. I love diffusing that. And then lemon. I haven't had lemon in a long time. I'm really excited to have it back. Oh my gosh, lemon, it just smells so bright and fresh. Oh, it's so good. I love lemon. And these were all like targeted for like springtime apparently. So those. Next one is clary sage. I've never had this, but it's really good for hormonal health, I know. So I'm really excited to try this. I've never had just straight up clary sage. Oh, wow. That smells way better than I was expecting. So clary sage is actually in the blend Sclerescence, and I don't like the way that smells. I use it anyway for hormonal health, which does wonders, but this actually smells really good. I actually don't mind the smell of that. And then I also got a bag of lavender bath bombs for free. I'm really excited to use these. I've never tried them, and yeah, cannot wait to use these. I can smell through the bag and they smell so good. Okay, so next promo oil I got was Dreamcatcher. I was really excited to get this because this is another one that people rave about, and I really wanted to get the promo for this because the 15 milliliter is like $70. So I was like, I would rather just stock up on stuff and get the free one this month. And it's a blend. So this is a blend of geranium, blue cypress, Divana, don't know what that is, jasmine, Metricaria. Oh wait, there's a whole, this is a whole lot of oils. Blue, tansy, rose, spearmint, ylang ylang, tangerine, bergamot, anise, and pepper. So you get a crap ton of oils in here. So you get a giant blend. So I just dropped my oil. So really excited to smell this. I've never smelled this before. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that smells really good. It's really hard to explain. It's just like, people say it's like really dreamy, and I totally get that. It just smells dreamy. Okay, so I got Dreamcatcher, and then last promo of the month is Goldenrod. This one was actually, this one is still out of stock. This is the only way you can get this in this month's ER box, and it's just a single note oil. I've never had it, obviously, because it's never been in stock while I've been in Young Living, and I'm really excited to try this. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. So it's a little on the woodsy side. It kind of reminds me of vetiver in the sense of it's not like super sweet. So it's kind of woodsy, kind of bitter. I'm gonna pair this with some other stuff because it's supposed to be good for the bedroom. You can do your research, but yeah, I just wanted to get it because it was free and all that good stuff. And it's out of stock, so it's the only way you can get it. So who knows when it's gonna come back in stock. So all of those for free. Super excited. Thank you guys for watching my super giant haul of oils. I don't know where I'm going to put all of these. But thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell, because if you don't, you're not gonna get notified when I upload videos. So if you want to help support me, be sure to click that video. Thumbs up if you like this. Check out the first half because that's where I go through all of my oils that I got. And all of this was non-oils. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later.